On November 22, 2016, Rakuten, in collaboration with NTT DOCOMO and ACSL, held the world's first successful demonstration of a drone delivery service, which is operated via a smartphone LTE network in Chiba City's National Strategic Special Zone. Rakuten's drone project was publicly launched on April 25, 2016, when the delivery service known as Sora-Raku was provided for a limited period on a golf course in Chiba, without any incidents. Then, on October 26, an inter-island test flight was successfully conducted in the National Strategic Special Zone of Imabari City, Ehime Prefecture. This time, with the aim of implementing drone delivery in a metropolitan area utilizing a smartphone app, a test flight was conducted at Inage Kaihin Park Pool in Chiba City. There were 3 points being tested. First, remote flight operation using NTT DOCOMO's LTE network, conducted from 40 kilometers away in Rakuten Crimson House. Second, a newly developed model of drone. Third, a drone dashboard remote monitoring system. These technological additions should help to realize a more efficient and safe drone delivery service for possible use in built-up residential areas.
Our new drone has more safety features than the previous model, such as a parachute to rapidly reduce the speed of descent in an emergency. It also has rainproof to deal with suddenly changing weather conditions.
The test flight launched with an order via a smartphone app for delivery of a book and mobile battery, placed by the mayor of Chiba City, Toshihito Kumagai.
で、このモバイルバッテリーがありますので、このショッピングカードのボタンを押してください。で、今日は1個で設定で、はい。で、これで重量等が400になりましたので、このショッピングカードボタンを押してください。3130円、間違いないようでしたらお支払いへとお願いします。
As well as the price, the weight of the products ordered is also displayed. 40 kilometers away in Rakuten Crimson House, the order is received and the drone is given flight instructions.
はい、じゃあ離陸お願いします。
はい、離陸ボタンを押します。
The airborne drone flies off over the sea towards the delivery destination. Checking its location by GPS, it flies around 700 meters. It safely lands at the pickup point, leaves the package, and returns to where it took off.
LTE も活用して遠隔でですね、そして制御して商品を実際に注文するという、これはですね、世界でも例を見ない実験だったというふうに思います。これは非常に未来を少し実感として思えるようなものだったかなというふうに思います。
We talked to Hideaki Mukai of the new service development company about the future vision of this project.
We aim for drones to be used to transport goods from the logistics hub of RFC in the future. The first goal is to realize drone delivery over a distance of 10 kilometers from RFC to Makari New City by the Tokyo Olympics 2020, when the attention of the world will be on Japan.
RNN will continue to report on the further evolution of drone delivery, so keep watching.